In reality, hijacking moving trucks, as portrayed in The Fast and the Furious, is a risky and impractical approach. Forcing trucks to stop before hijacking would be a more sensible and controlled strategy, minimizing the chances of accidents, injuries, and complications. Ambushing moving trucks increases the potential for collateral damage, poses unnecessary risks to both sides, and adds complexity to the operation. While hijacking in motion might enhance the cinematic experience by adding drama in a real-world scenario, prioritizing a controlled and less risky approach, like stopping the vehicles first, aligns more with logical considerations and practicality.